Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, January 26, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. I'm going to start by thanking everyone for the well wishes and prayers and all that for my medical procedure. It went well. I'm back home and we're going to do a quick update on the S&P, okay? Recovering. But let me start today with the market close report we had for yesterday. We have wave 4 still in play, as you can see there. If we can get to this chart, there you can see we have wave 4 targets. The 4411 was already achieved. You can see that line there right on the 50% retracement. And we're looking for 4456, which is the Fibonacci 618. And you can see in red, that wave 1 low right there is 4530. So this 4 up cannot go above the wave 1 low. That would break one of the 3 Elliott Wave rules. Okay, so that's where you always ask yourself, where am I wrong? That's where this count is wrong. We'll get into the alternate count at a later date, but until then, we don't need to worry about it. So we're looking for 4456 yesterday going into today. And what did we get? Here is our hourly S&P with the expanding triangle, and you can see right here, this was today. We hit right here today, there's the 4. We hit 44.53.23 within less than 3 points, actually 2.77 points of a direct hit, and that might be because my little lines are off there. Okay, so we've got a 1 and a 2 in the parentheses here. We're looking for the larger wave 3, and that should be extended with a 1, 2 in black, no parentheses, 3, 4, and then a 5. Okay, and let's see here. I want to show you guys also from this 4 here. Let's drill this down. Okay, that was today right at the Fed meeting. Okay. They follow the market. The market doesn't follow them, but we've proven that so many times over the last 2 or 3 decades, so we don't even want to go into it anymore. This is a 10-minute chart, and this is the high right at 2 Eastern, okay? We have a 1 and a 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, okay? It looks like we're in 4 of 5 on the way up. Let me see if I can mark that for you guys, okay? And let's get the 1 down, the 2 up, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there for 3, and then we get a 4, and then we get a 5. Okay, see that 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And an easy way to count these is impulse waves are 5, 9, 13, 17 to infinity, and retracements are 3, 7, 11 on up to infinity. Okay, so it looks like we're in a 4 here. Let's get targets for that 4 if I can. Retrace. There's the beginning of 3. There is the end of 3, and you can see it's just touching the 382. Okay, 382 is 43.57. The 500 is 43.74, and the 618 is right there at 43.90. So that's what we're looking at near term. It's a 10-minute chart. This high up here was today, and it represents this high right up here, okay? And since I put that in there, it threw all those on there. So let me remove those so it's not too confusing on the bigger. Let's remove this too, so that's not too confusing on the bigger picture, because we're going to say a little bit more about that. Okay, so this is our 4th wave retracement up. We're looking for a 5. We're looking for this thing to not just hit this trend line connecting the low of wave A and C, but to do a throw under, as Elliott called it. Okay, we'll get into that in a little bit. Okay, but you can see there we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 4 is up, and then 5. That came from the smaller 10-minute wave count. Okay, that's the bigger picture. Let me show you guys this post-market close report from today. You can see here is the other day we had a direct hit on our time on the 24th, and today we had a direct hit on price. There's the target 44.56 for this wave 4. There's the actual within less than 3. And there's that make or break at 45.30. That's that wave 1 low right there. Okay. If this 3 is extending even further, the next Fibonacci target is 41.36. Okay. We expect this to not just hit that, but as I have here, expect a throw under. Let me get into that if I can with you guys. Okay. Let's see here. Here's what we had from the previous report. We're looking at 44.56, and that came within 5 points of the 44.61. And here's that 44.53, and we came within 2.77 points for the 44.56 target. But I want to get into this wave 5 and the throw under. Okay. Let's see here. I'll just read this to you guys. I'm expecting a throw under. The Fibonacci target is 41.36. We showed that. The bottom of the channel hits 41.72 on the 27th. Doesn't mean it's going to complete the triangle or the 5th wave tomorrow. That's if it happens to. Okay, looking for a throw under. So if we get a throw under, and if wave 5 and the larger wave 3 would terminate tomorrow, then the price would be lower than the 41.72 and 41.36 targets if we're getting a throw under. Wave 5 gains a 1.618 at 41.04. So that'd be a nice price target for the throw under. Not necessarily for tomorrow, just in general. Okay, so let me show you guys that. If I can connect those internal waves 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me get these out of here. Okay, remove that. There we go. And we've got this, let me get an extension going here. Okay, there's the 1, and we'll connect it to the 4, and it should be, yeah, I got 41.04. I think let me see what it said. I think it was 41.03, which would have been more accurate. And 41.04, there it is. Okay, and that's what we have here, 41.04. So that's where 5, I'll bring it down here. Let me do this for you guys, make that a little better. Let's put E out of the way. Let's put 5 down here at that target, and the larger wave 3 down here. Then this 4 and 5, we can calculate those. As you can see, once this smaller wave 3 and the larger wave 5 are complete. So that would be a nice throw under right there. Not sure on the time if it'll happen tomorrow, but on price, price has been dictating over time. We will see, except for that 124 that hit right there. Okay, we know where we're wrong. We know about the make or break right up here at 45.30, and we have a 1 and a 2 and a 3. 4 is in red. We're looking for a 5. I showed you guys those targets there. So we'll see how this plays out. Thanks again. Until next time, take care, everyone.